This is the Tesla or TSLA men's thermal windproof cycling or running pants. Now they feature a fleece lining on the inside and a 3-layer fabric structure to help keep the warmth in, with a water repellent outer. Now they are 100% polyester and they are recommended to be a cold machine wash, less than 30 degrees, and not to use softeners or anything like that with them. Definitely line dry them and don't dry clean. Now this is the navy color, and I really like that we've got these reflective strips down the sides of the lower legs, and also that Tesla logo that is on the left thigh is also reflective. The lower legs do also have zippers to give you a little bit more flexibility with getting them on and off, and also to adjust how you want it to feel. So that's great. They are not stretchy or anything like that. Instead, we've got that thermal fleece lining on the inside, which does keep them quite warm. We do have zip-up pockets on both sides, and those pockets are big enough to easily fit an iPhone 12 or 13, and you should be able to fit the bigger size phones in there as well without any trouble. There is a drawstring as well as elastic, so you can adjust that waist fit. I found that sizing was quite accurate, except for around the hips and bum region. I found that was actually a bit tight, while the rest of them were quite good. So something to be aware of there. And there is a bit of a swishing sound when you walk in these, so you may or may not like that. I didn't mind it personally. And I don't mind this stitching that we've got on the outer as well, just add a little bit more detail to it. So if you found this video helpful, for more information and pricing, make sure you check out the links down below.